IFA 2018 coverage sponsored by Philips Hue.
Nicole Scott here for Mobile Geeks. We're at IFA 2018 and we are at a Huawei event checking out the new AI Cube. The only AI about this smart speaker is the fact that it comes with Amazon Alexa. It's a 4G router, which honestly makes no sense for emerging markets. Europe and the US, everyone has a landline. I know, he's upset, right? So in Asia, you would actually have a 4G SIM card for your home. It's pretty normal, or you just hotspot because the infrastructure is so good. But like somewhere here in Germany where I see edge more than I should, no one's going to be relying on their 4G SIM card for their home internet. So I think that this launch is a little misplaced at IFA, but the potential for this smart speaker on a global scale is actually pretty interesting. I'm going to be watching to see what they do in China with it and who they launch it with, because we've seen Tencent pull out of the China market with their smart speaker. I think it's Tencent. Yeah, so that market is still very much in play for these types of devices. And when you look at the US, there's a 50% increase of people owning smart speakers over the last 3 months. We're at maybe 20 million devices alone, up to 20 million devices here in 2018. So this is definitely a hot consumer product. I'm just not quite sure that 4G makes a lot of sense. They also launched this amazing tracker that basically competes with Tile. So you want to put this onto your dog, and then your dog will be trackable with this. Now they also have things for bikes. You should be able to track this, I think, for 15 days, they said. But basically, it's difficult because Tile is something where enough people use it, so if a tile has been pinged by another tile, you'll be able to track it. Whereas this, the penetration seems really low. This would be cool if it came with an eSIM, because an eSIM would connect to the network, and then the entire world you'd be able to track it. I don't know why anyone bothers to come out with these types of devices when the eSIM is just about to come onto the market. That's the exciting technology that we should be looking for in these types of trackers. All right, I'm Nicole Scott here for Mobile Geeks, taking a look at some stuff that Huawei launched here at IFA 2018.